you want a sports bike, get a sports bike. If you want a naked bike, get a naked bike. If you want a Harley, get a Harley. I'm not here to tell you which one to go for. Everyone's got their opinion on that. What I will say is I kind of thought I'm going to try and make it easy for myself, so I'm going to get something that's not too heavy and something I can flat foot. Some of the ones I tried out at the shop and that seem pretty big and heavy to me, and there's a lot of choice. Depends on costs, that kind of thing, whether you're going to get a second-hand bike or go buy one new. Do what feels right for you, because you want to enjoy your riding, you know, you want to be on a bike that you enjoy riding. There's just so many kinds of bikes. When I was in the position a year ago trying to think about what bike to get, I mean, there's a lot of choice. Some parts of the world, it's a bit of a balancing act between you and the government. You know, what you want to ride, what they're going to let you ride, that kind of thing. I think in the UK it's 125 cc. You know, that opens up a whole can of worms about whether that's good or bad. You know, over here, you know, on your L's, you can go out and get a 650 restricted. And that's crazy. But some people were saying to me, like, well, don't get a 200 or whatever, because it's dangerous. You need something big and powerful so you can get out of trouble. I guess, yeah, I can see that. They're like, you'll be fine because it's all in your throttle hand. You know, you can use the power if you want or not use it. But I was just starting out, so I thought I'd go for like a middle ground. So yeah, I went for a 390. I thought that's gonna have plenty of power for me, just starting out. It's easily gonna do the speed limit if I need to. I'm gonna be on a restricted license for quite a while anyway. But it's up to you, I reckon. Unless you're in the UK and then you're on a 125, so it's just the way it is. But you know, down the line, you know, you got to think about a bike that you can grow into. So yeah, I thought a 390 would be a good bike, because if I wanted to keep it, I could grow into it. It'd still be fun even as I was progressing, kind of thing. But I might get something else, we'll see. And that might be the same for you, you know. I'm kind of Mr. Average, so for me the Duke 390 was pretty good because had enough power for me. Felt pretty light. Some of the ones I tried out at the shop and that seemed pretty big and heavy to me. So yeah, and I could flat foot it. So that was my thought process. But do what feels right for you. If you've inherited a Harley, or you've been given one, you've always wanted one or whatever, or you've found a super deal on a second-hand sports bike or a new one or whatever, yeah, do what's right for you. There's just so many kinds of bikes. Maybe a slightly off-the-wall kind of suggestion would be, if you're still finding it all a little bit too much, bringing everything together, you could maybe try an electric motorcycle. They offer a great intermediate level. Has the power, and throttle can be turned down. You don't have to worry about the clutch or changing gears, and most of them are lightweight and easy to maneuver as well. An electric bike can help you get familiar riding a motorcycle, and then you can jump back on to a gas bike once you feel you've got that in, or maybe you'll stick with an electric, who knows. Yeah, but that's another option. Because you want to enjoy your riding, you know, you want to be on a bike that you enjoy riding. I'm sure if I'd got a 125, I would have enjoyed it. Just getting out and riding, I love it so much. It just feels good. My mind relaxes because I'm focused on something task at hand. It's kind of my meditation. Get outside, get some fresh air. Could be fresh air if I was away from the roads, but I'm sure I'm kicking out a pong as well. So yeah, get out and ride. Bike, a board. Go for a run, a walk. Have a beer, have a coffee, whatever it is. Just get out. I always feel better for getting out and doing something. But yeah, ride smart, ride safe. If you're enjoying these videos, here's another one. Insert topic here. Mummy, my hand hurts from riding my motorcycle. Well, isn't that why you installed the throttle lock? It's not our fault if you don't remember to use it. Note to self, don't film on Tuesdays. Bin day. All the Daleks are out.